Hey guys, this is my 95 E36 M3 and I've noticed that my idle is not that stable as it should be. The car is rocking left and right. Now, possible issue that could be is the idle control valve, but I have cleaned it out a few months ago and I know it's working correctly. So another issue that why the car is rocking left to right could be an air leak. And I have looked around the engine bay and I have found a few, namely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 air leaks. Yeah, that is not a great thing, but I have here a bag of new ones, and of course, as usual, this is a pain in the ass to exchange. We have to remove this whole thing and this as well, and then exchange it. So let's get started with removing this part and we'll see how it goes. Now, to remove the airbox, on the bottom side we have one sensor here, one pipe there, and there is one nut that has to be removed. On the top side we have one connecting pipe here, and just remove all these. Now, in the most inner side there, mine is missing. Probably the last service guy did not want to put back, so I will try and figure out how to handle that. Most probably I will not put it back because I will have to order one of these nuts. We'll see. And of course this has to be removed as well. As usual, things don't go exactly as one wants to go. So there is one more, I don't know if you can see it there. There's one more smaller hose that needs to be disconnected from everything else we have talked about. And in the meanwhile, I have checked about the last screw, and it's how it's supposed to be screwed in and out is to remove the two wipers, get this plastic bit out, and then loosen the nuts for this harness holder, and then you can move the harness holder a bit so you have access to that screw. But yeah, first let's remove this airbox. Okay, we have the air collector out. I don't know if it matters apart from the number 2, but mine seems to be marked on where they go. So just mark it, I guess. I don't know if it matters. So I will just exchange all 6 and will not tighten them because it will adjust once it is put back in its place, and I will only tighten them when everything is put back together. So here's a bad rubber one, and you can see that it's cracked really badly. So I will exchange all, and let's hope that my idle will go back to normal. If you're possibly looking for the same component, this is the part number, and of course you need 6 of these. Okay, so it's put back into place now. Now I just need to tighten everything down and try it out. Hopefully it will be okay. Okay, let's see if everything is okay. Okay-ish, I would say. I will take a drive and check it out. But at least one air leak is repaired now.